Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is B2 level German language video and today we learn Nomen und Adjektive. I have written few adjectives here. You can see here and how to make noun out of these adjectives. This is very important topic for your speaking skills as well as writing skills. I have written few adjectives. You can see ruhig, energievoll, geduldig, freundlich, arbeiten is a verb. You can make noun out of verb. Hilfsbereit, zufrieden. I hope you know these adjectives or verb, but I will tell you the meaning. Ruhig, peaceful. Ich bin ruhig. Die Ruhe, noun die Ruhe. I need the peace. Ich brauche die Ruhe. Ich brauche die Ruhe. I need the peace. I need silence. I am disturbed. I do not want any disturbance. Ich brauche die Ruhe. Ich brauche die Ruhe. Ich möchte in der Ruhe sitzen. I want to sit in the peace, in a peaceful atmosphere. Ruhe, die Ruhe. Ruhig, peaceful. Mein Haus ist ruhig, very peaceful, very silent, very calm. Energievoll, full of energy, enthusiastic. Die Energie. Ist energievoll. Der Lehrer ist energievoll. He is full of energy. Or der Lehrer hat Energie. Der Lehrer hat Energie. So you have noticed one thing. With adjectives we use sein verb. The verb is sein. Mostly we use sein verb. And with noun we use some other verb like haben or depend upon the case. Ich habe Energie. Ich habe keine Energie. Ich brauche Pause. I have no energy. I need rest. Geduldig. Patient. Die Kinder sind geduldig. Die Kinder sind geduldig or geduldig. Children are patient. Patient. Die Kinder haben keinen Geduld. No patience. Patience. Geduld. Geduld haben. Ich brauche Geduld. Sie brauchen Geduld. Die Kinder haben Geduld. They have patience. Somebody has patience or somebody has no patience. Hat keinen Geduld. No patience. Freundlich, friendly. Mein Freund ist freundlich. Ich bin freundlich. I am friendly. I am very friendly. I interact with the people. I love interaction. Ich bin freundlich. I learn new people. Freund. Der Freund, die Freundin. Nomen. These are all nouns. These are all adjectives and verb. Arbeiten, to work. And the Nomen, die Arbeit. Ich suche die Arbeit. Mein Freund sucht die Arbeit. Wir suchen die Arbeit. Ich habe keine Arbeit. Hat keine Arbeit. Die Arbeit. The work. Arbeiten, the verb. Here Arbeit, Nomen. Noun. There is a difference, okay? All the nouns, you can see, first alphabet is capital. Here, first alphabet small. Must take care. Arbeit, noun. Arbeiten, verb. Ich arbeite bei einer Firma. Arbeitet nicht. We conjugate the verb. We conjugate the verb, but with noun, we need one more verb to make a sentence. Mein Freund hat keine Arbeit. My friend doesn't have work. He is looking for a work. Sucht eine Arbeit in Mumbai. Hilfsbereit, helpful. Adjective. Thomas ist hilfsbereit. Martin ist hilfsbereit. Tina ist nicht hilfsbereit. She is not helpful. Adjective. Hilfe, help. Ich brauche deine Hilfe. I need your help. He needs my help. Braucht meine Hilfe. Hilfe, noun. Ich brauche. I need your help. He needs my help. Brauchen. I am searching for the help. Suchen. Ich suche die Hilfe. Noun, need verb. Ich suche die Hilfe. I am searching for the help. Hilfsbereit, adjective. The verb you can use sein. Zufrieden, satisfied. Zufriedenheit, satisfaction. I don't have satisfaction. Ich habe keine Zufriedenheit. But I am satisfied. Ich bin zufrieden. Er ist zufrieden. Sie ist zufrieden. He is satisfied. She is satisfied. I am satisfied with my job. Ich bin zufrieden mit meinem Job. Zufriedenheit, Satisfaction. I need satisfaction. Ich brauche die Zufriedenheit. My friend needs the satisfaction. Mein Freund braucht die Zufriedenheit. Noun. The verb we have relate brauchen, suchen. With here adjective, the verb is sein. I am satisfied. You are satisfied. So one thing is clear. With adjective, we can use the verb sein, but with noun, we need another verb. We have to find out the suitable verb. It's a different topic. Noun with the suitable verb. I have made a video, you can watch in the playlist. Another concept. There are certain adjectives end with like superlative ish, Ehrlichkeit, ehrlich, ich or iz. Many adjectives end with iz or ich. We can make noun out of that. How can we make? Look at here. If the ending is ig or ich, ish or lish, we write kite. For example, zuverlässig, reliable. Zuverlässigkeit, reliability. Ehrlich, honest. Ehrlichkeit, honesty. Okay. Similarly, there are adjectives that doesn't take neither iz neither ich. You can add height, like Zufriedenheit. Okay, Hilfsbereit, the helpful. So you have to find out these things. Like I have written freundlich. You can also make freundlichkeit, friendliness. I have written Freund, but freundlichkeit. So words end with this. You can put kite and height. And article is always die. Die Ehrlichkeit, Zuverlässigkeit, Freundlichkeit. Okay. So these are the nouns. These are the adjectives we have just seen in brief. How to make noun out of adjective or verb. I hope you find this video interesting. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel if you want to be member, and keep watching German class. Keep learning with me. Bye bye. Take care.